What's up, guys? So, Squall has been released. You can see there's 13 days left in his special dungeon, and by far, by a long shot, Squall is the absolute best unit in the game right now. So, a Lion's Heart is very, very simple and easy to get Squall unlocked, even if you have just started the game. All you need to do to unlock Squall is beat the first quest right there, a Lion's Heart Part 1, quest level 10. Then, you get to go to the cutscene, The Burden We Bear, and that will get you Squall. Squall is by far the strongest character in the game. We'll take a look at his stats right now. So here, I'm just going to jump onto this mission, show you how strong Squall is, and you definitely should pull for Squall's equipment. So Squall here is at level 24. In here, he's getting a bonus of stats. So it's a little unfair, but you can see, with the bonus, he is at 2541, 616, he is by far stronger than Warrior of Light. And hopefully we can get a 5-star Squall weapon and show you just how insanely powerful Squall is. He is by far the strongest character. So come on, lucky draw. Guaranteed 5 stars. Please be Squall. Please be Squall's weapon. Oh, that was good. We got 3 of them. And we got 2 Squall weapons. This is awesome, guys. Alright, so let's go check this out. What else do we get here? We got a lock weapon. Nice. Or, no, we got a Zidane weapon. Awesome. Amazing pull there for us. So let's go equip Squall and show you how strong he is now that we have the even weapon. Alright, so take a look at the stats. Max Brave is at 1671. Attack is now up to 546. Defense is at 354. He is also weaker than Warrior of Light. He's 3 levels weaker. He's also at level 1 on his upgrades, where Warrior Light is level 3. Alright, so you can see the difference here in stats. Max Brave 1671 to 1760. Attack is at 514, 546. Squall is 3 levels weaker. He's also, his weapon level is 1 level lower. And he is also a few levels weaker in his crystal upgrades. Squall is by far the best character in the game. His solid barrel is insanely powerful as well. So it gains an extra hit when Brave drops below 250 initial Brave. That means if his initial Brave here is 468, whenever you use this ability and the initial Brave is under about 1700, which is his max Brave, he's going to gain an additional hit. Massive, massive, massive amounts of Brave attack right there.